Are you too busy? Is life spinning out of control? Time for a lovely libation. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. If you have too much on your plate and feel like you're about to blow a gasket, it's time to sit down and enjoy a lovely libation. Fortunately, we have one right here, our take on the classic Margarita. To make it, all you do is combine 2 ounces of reposado tequila, 1/2 ounce Grand Marnier, 1/2 ounce fresh lime juice, and 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Shake with ice and strain into a cocktail glass.
Enjoy on the sofa, under a blanket for maximum effectiveness.
Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to visit our Facebook page for lovely libations, liquored up live broadcasts, and more. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.
See you soon!